Guys, if you watch my previous videos, then you know I pay for this house 6,000 euros. That's mean is a lot of work in this house. Today problem is because the floor inside the house is from concrete and was very cold. I will show you. That's the floor. Misha, bitch. But for isolation I have solution. I will show you. This is wine cellar, and between these bins I will put now isolation. First I must put isolation in these holes, and then I will go on ceiling. Guys, I have perfect knife, and let's go now fill or cover. I think perfect word will be fill these holes. That is faucet for wine. I was fill all these small holes around with isolation, and that's mean I will start now put isolation like this inside. Guys, every this must go out, because when I push isolation up is away. First line between the bins was finished. Isolation was in, and I hope that will be solution for my cold floor. This, guys, now is one of the last one I will cut. and I will show you how I cut. I measure 72 and 72. That means $72 is here, but I do not cut in 72. I go around 1 inch, maybe 2 centimeters more, like this. I will show you 72, and I am 74 and 5. 74 and 5, exactly 1 inch more. Why? Because when I push this isolation between the beans, that isolation stay inside. You see now here is around 1 inch more than I was measured. Then I push like this here inside, then just push inside, and it's finished. Like this. That is finished, guys. That's it. This isolation is very good, but I don't like work with this isolation because it was very itchy. Is stone wall, but was itchy. I need now 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters is around 1 feet. I have here no more 30 centimeters. Yeah, I have here. That one is now 27. That one will be perfect. Yes, you see 30, and I will cut on 32. That side is straight. I will cut on that side. 32 is here, and 32. That's yes. That means I have 2 centimeters longer what I measure. That means was around 1 inch longer what I was measured before. Just push inside. That's it, guys. This is the last one. Yoo-hoo! This more here. I think that too will be perfect. Okay, very nice. That's it, guys. This is today job was finished. I put all isolation all around, but I must finish now with recording because it was too dark. everything was very dark. Guys, I just wanna show you, this is few days after I install insulation under the floor, and it's pretty nice, cozy. I have fire and it's really hot here inside. The floor was not anymore cold like before, but plan is to install on top of this floor, install wooden floor. That will be much more better. The plan is also here make wall, and then that means here will be toilet and shower, and here will be one door. This will be entry, and this later will be my kitchen and sleeping room for now. Then later we wanna rebuild complete house, and I wanna show you outside. It's pretty cold, a little bit raining, and my generator running. Okay, the small cat go out, the old cat chill out here. Guys, that is from today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on next one. Bye. Yoo-hoo!